Good afternoon, everyone. Dave Littlejohn here for your weekly market wrap-up. It's a Friday, the 4th. May the 4th be with you, right? And it is a little after 1 o'clock, so the market's just closed. This week was another exciting week of ups and downs, and came right back to almost where we started. This week, a little negative. So, lame, but kind of interesting news that happened. If you track earnings, we're in the middle of earnings season right now. One of the best earnings seasons ever. Earnings on average, 78% or so of companies so far reported earnings above expectations. In fact, average earnings beat of almost 8%. Earnings right now running at like 20% above this same time last year or more. So it's off the charts. And yet the markets have not gone up very much. So it's really kind of an interesting time right now. All I can really make of this is that, in fact, the markets are either crazy or they're thinking that there's going to be a crash in the future, or it could just be that we can't get any good news out of the media no matter what. So, oh, this good thing happened, but there's always another bad thing. And so folks are just going like, I don't know. What I can tell you, as we've discussed this before, is that as you continue to see the earnings go up, but the price is not, it's getting more and more attractive from a pricing perspective. So, we're yet to see the data that indicates that we're in a recessionary environment. We're yet to see the data that indicates that we have a problem right now. So it's just kind of interesting to see where the markets are at. Now, I know there's a rule you're not supposed to predict the future, so I won't really predict it with any specificity except to tell you that it sure appears that we're getting close to a point where the markets can continue to go higher. Whether or not that manifests, we don't really know, but the data is looking promising right now. So the next few weeks ought to tell us a lot more about whether we'll get that directional trend or not. But you're starting to hear a lot more of the large firms and analysts saying things like, we could be reaching a pricing bottom here. So I guess we'll see. Anyway, it turns out it's harder to film outside than you'd think. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up short today. If you need additional information, as always, feel free to give our firm a call, 541-375-0898. We got the website, littlejohnfs.com, all that good stuff, and we would be happy to take your questions or anything along those lines. If you've got something you'd like us to cover in a future video, just let us know. Until then, this is David Littlejohn. Catch you later.